materials entitled Multihundred Kits.
Trends in International Mathematics and Science Study, or TIMSS, is a large-scale assessment designed to inform educational policy and practice by providing an international perspective on teaching and learning in mathematics and science. Therefore, all students need to master basic mathematical skills such as numbers, operations, and fractions, as well as to help improve the performance of students in Malaysia for mathematics in TIMSS and PISA to be better.
We have identified a number of problems encountered in mastering the basic skills of numbers and fractions. It happens before the emergence of innovative ideas. We have summarized the 3 problem statements. Firstly, to identify the basic concept of numbers and problems within 100. Secondly, identify prime numbers and composite numbers within 100. And lastly, identify equivalent fractions and simplest form.
Multi-hundred kits consist of multi-hundred blocks made of natural materials such as wood, sponge cubes, skewers, and number stickers. It also comes with a material box containing a manual user, 100 stable card, activity instruction card, question card, alphabetical and pictorial stickers.
Multi-hundred kits can be used for the skills of adding and subtracting numbers within 100 by rotate the sponge cubes number 1 to 100. In addition, multi-hundred kits can be used to identify equivalent fractions and the simplest fractions using surface number multiples of 1 to 10. User manuals are also provided to help users understand and explore the use of multi-hundred kits by scanning the barcode provided.
This product has a great impact on hands-on mathematics learning activities because it is flexible, attractive, and easy to carry anywhere.
It is also can be used by students, teachers, and even schools. Can develop students' intellectual potential. We hope that this product can be commercialized in foreign markets. It is because the product is proven to provide great benefits and impact in the long run.
It's all from us.